Today I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Affinity Designer. This is a fundamental skill that will help you remove unwanted areas from your images and focus on the most important parts of your design. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new one to work with. Make sure your image is ready and visible in your workspace before moving forward. Now look at the top toolbar and click on Pixel. This switches your workspace to Pixel Persona, which is specifically designed for editing raster images and photos. This mode gives you access to the cropping tools you'll need. Next, head over to the left sidebar and click on Crop Tool. This activates the cropping functionality, allowing you to define which part of your image you want to keep and which areas you want to remove. With the crop tool selected, click directly on your image. This action activates the crop handles, which will appear as small squares or lines around the edges of your image. These handles are what you'll use to adjust your crop area. Now comes the actual cropping part. Drag the corner or edge handles inward to crop the image to your desired area. You have full control over how much you want to trim from each side. If you need to maintain the original proportions of your image, simply hold Shift while dragging the handles. This prevents distortion and keeps your image looking natural. Once you're satisfied with how your crop looks, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the crop. The unwanted areas will be permanently removed and your image will be trimmed to the exact dimensions you specified. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped an image in Affinity Designer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.